Hey there, hope everybody's doing well on March 2nd. I was away on vacation for a while, but now I'm back. And this is a follow-up to my first post on the Ukraine a few weeks ago. And, at the time I said it's a foregone conclusion that Russia would probably invade Ukraine. And 2 weeks later, lo and behold, they have. Markets went down last week on the initial days of the invasion and sort of been chopping around since then, and they're up big today. And why are they up big? Because Fed Powell is testifying before Congress, and it's my opinion that even though war is deplorable and unfortunate, that the markets are really sort of still keen on the Fed. I think with the initial dips in the invasion days was because Russia and Ukraine, control a lot of oil, control a lot of wheat, control a lot of grain, and that commodity prices have been sort of spiking, and that would contribute to more accelerated inflation. So what would the Fed's response be? Would they accelerate their rate hikes this year? And so Fed Powell has come out today and said no, basically that they were going to take a gradual approach to rate hiking, that they would probably hike rates at 25 basis points at the next meeting on March 15th. And then go from there. So I think the markets like that, which is why you're seeing a lot of positivity today, in the indices. Now, I think what Fed Powell is banking on is look. I think that hopefully, as he raises rates gradually and that filters through the economy, demand starts to come down. We work out these supply chain kinks, and consequently, inflation starts to gradually come down. If that doesn't happen, then they may have to accelerate rates. Either way, we're probably in for a volatile 2022. But look, I'm always of the thinking that if you invest in good companies run by good management, who are good capital allocators, and if you got it in at a good price and you're thinking long term, that you can ride this out. It's never really easy. The last few months have been pretty hard. But over the long term, good companies shine through. So, more to come. Fasten your seatbelts in 2022, and we'll see what happens on March 15th.